guys, so this freaks video, we're gonna be doing another pick my outfit with me, just because I really had some fun doing that video the last time and it was different. And also I got some new clothes. Your girl got some new clothes. So, but I know for sure I want to style today. I want to style these new black, they're like wide leg jeans that I got from Zara. They are high rise and they're full length, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm kind of short, so we're gonna have to do some type of platform shoe if we do wind up going with these. But it's cold outside, that's the thing. So I was like, okay, it's cold, so we gotta, like, we gotta layer, because you're kind of trying to get sick. But hold on, I also have this sweater vest from H&M that I think would go so cute with these, but I need an undershirt because it's literally 30 degrees outside right now. So let me go look for an undershirt. Okay, so the outfit, I'm trying to, y'all, it's cute. I don't have it on all the way, like I don't have everything zipped up because I'm trying on different clothes, but I don't think it's gonna keep me warm. So I have another option. Y'all seen me wear both of these pieces before, but never together. But like, I always do an all black look. Like, I feel like that's so easy. But I was also thinking maybe I could use this as one of my undershirts and put like a sweatshirt over it. Let me try that. I haven't ever done that look before, so let me see. Okay, so I tried to pair it with like this Calabasas. These are the jeans, by the way. Wait, hold on. These are the jeans. They're really, really cute and they're flared. They fit really nice. But I feel like this is giving me almost priest. Like, I don't know. Okay, guys. After much freaking deliberation, we're gonna be wearing this square, it's a bodysuit. I don't have it buttoned up right now, but it's a square bodysuit from H&M. We ditched the black jeans because they were it was too much. It was too much to work with them, and I'm in a time crunch. So I don't have a zip, but we have these jeans. These are from Hollister, what am I saying? H&M bodysuit. And then I'm gonna be wearing this jacket over it. It's like a distressed jean jacket. It matches the jeans like almost perfectly, but this is actually from Misguided. And it's an oversized jean jacket. I'm finna button all this stuff up. I'm finna go to the bathroom because girl, I still gotta do my hair. We gotta do lashes. We gotta get our life. Okay, y'all, so our next step is we need to figure out what hairstyle I want to do. I don't want to wear my hair all the way down just because I don't like it really falling in my face a lot of the times, especially when I have my lashes on, because it make your eyelid look lopsided and that's not cute. So I don't know what type of vibe we're giving off today. I feel like it's giving off very much so American Girl. We got a neutral tone bodysuit. We got the lighter wash jeans. Lighter wash jacket might do the platform black Converse I just got, but I'm also debating if I want to wear my dunks, my low dunks, which are kind of like it's a grayish color and like a white, but I wear those all the time. So I'm really trying to, actually wear the clothes and stuff I have in my actual closet without wearing the same pieces over and over and again. So let's see. Okay, so I think for our hairstyle, we're just gonna do like this high, half up, half down. And I'm about to do my edges. I use the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold. And I've had a lot of the different scents. I really don't see a difference in like the actual quality of the product depending on what scent you get. I've had pineapple, I've had the cherry one, I've had red apple, I think. I've had multiple, but like, I don't know. I kind of just go based on what this smells like to decide if I want to get it or not. And that's normally what I go with. And something recently that I have been doing is I've actually been trying to, okay, y'all, don't come for me because I'm not an expert at the baby hairs. But they're going to be there. They're going to be there. But I'm definitely not an expert at all my baby hairs. And that's something I really want to get better at this year, is really like being able to do like, you know how the girls do like the designs and stuff with their baby hairs? I really want to be able to do that. And I know y'all probably looking at this video right now like, this girl ain't got no edges. I do have edges. I do have edges, for one. For two, my hair is in braids, so I don't sit there and try to brush out all my edges when I first get my braids done because these things gonna stay in. they need to stay looking fresh. So I only brush out as much as my hair will let me. Like if my hair is not finna brush out all my baby hairs, I'm not gonna sit there and try to pull these things out my head. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna have a little bit of baby hairs until, like, you know, the braids loosen, whatnot, give more, like, more hair come out. Y'all know how braids get, like, y'all know. And the lady I went to who braided my hair, she don't play. Like, she gonna gather the baby hairs. But like, see, I've been trying to just like do something with my sideburn, I guess that's what you can call this hair, because it doesn't really, like, if I push it back, it's not gonna stay. But when I do this and I just let it kind of like lay on the side of my face, it's fine. Like, it'll stay like this all day. But like, if I try to push it back, that thing gonna pop clean back out. Like, when I tell y'all it's gonna pop clean back out, I mean, like, it's gonna pop clean back out. Like, it's like, girl, what was the point? What was the point? What was the use of the product? So I get it. I get the baby hairs. Like, it does add a cute little flair. It does, you know, it's making art with your hair. And I stand. Like, I'm not upset at that. The girlies, I need to know, like, how do y'all be making the swirls and stuff? Because my stuff very so be giving stick. Like, I have to re-curl it. Because, well, at the same time, because I do have braids in, I'm obviously not washing my hair. So it's not as easy for it to curl up. Like, you know, with the multiple product being built up, especially this edge control, I'm just trying to get that wispy look that I got on this side. Like, you see, I just kind of like, it looks effortless. It looks effortless, like, and she's giving very much so I'm here. And we need her to look like this. Like, I'm effortless. A strong sideburn on one side and a weak one on the other. Because I'm not finna sit here and do this all day. Like, we're gonna move on to putting on our eyelash glue. Oh, my eyes are so watery. Okay, now I'm finna put on my lashes. I'll put the lashes, the link to it in the description box, because I got this whole pack off of Amazon. And then I'm also using lash glue. I got off of Amazon too. This is a super strong hold eyelash adhesive by Eye Envy. Yeah, this stuff actually will work. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, if y'all have watery eyes like me, or like you kind of have trouble with your lashes staying all day using the Duo Lash Glue, which I also really like Duo Lash Glue. It's just that sometimes it doesn't stay like as long as you want your lash glue to stay for without having to reapply it. Which, I mean, if you don't wear lashes that often and you're only wearing it for a couple hours, I guess that's fine. But I like to wear lashes almost every single day, and I don't like to have to reapply my lashes like at all throughout the day. But this stuff, now this stuff actually will stay for like a good amount of time. Like, I'll put them on right now and they probably won't come off till tonight. And even sometimes at nighttime, they don't want to budge. Like, the glue be strong on this girl, like, for real. Almost giving me Miss Gorilla Glue flashbacks, but for my eyelashes. But not really. Let me stop, because she was really in some pain. But yeah, so like, this is a lash glue I've been using, and it's just like a wand adhesive. Sorry, it's a little dirty. I use it all the time. But it's like a wand adhesive, and it just comes in this little tube, and you just apply it on your lash. And I wait for them to dry. I like them to almost be like, some people be saying tacky, but I don't know. I have watery eyes, so sometimes my stuff be shifting. So I wait till it's like basically like dry before I put it on. So now that while that's drying, I'm gonna go clean up the mess of clothes I made, and then actually I'm gonna put on my jewelry, then we're gonna clean up the mess of clothes. So let's go pick out the jewelry. For jewelry, almost everything I wear stays the same. I keep the earrings, and I did order some new gold huggy earrings. I can have these linked. These came in a pack from Amazon. All my rings are always from James Avery, but something I do change out depending on the outfit is the necklace. One of these, this necklace that I have that has a lock on it, this is from Etsy. I feel like this could be really cute with it. I'm getting into wearing gold jewelry over silver jewelry. So, you know, I'm trying to experiment with all my options. This is a Kendra Scott necklace that I have, but I actually recently just got it replaced. But this one looks really cute with it too. It's really dainty, and I think it's so pretty. And it's amethyst. It's just like the regular like birthstone Kendra Scott necklace, literally. And then this other necklace, this other gold necklace I have is half gold, half pearls. And this is from Amazon, actually. All these look good with it. That's the problem. So I don't know which one like I want. This is cute. The gold lock is cute. Miss Kendra is cute. Like, it's hard. I don't know which one I should do. Like, normally I ask Zoe. The lock is cute, but I don't know if she's giving me what I need her to give today. Let's see Miss Kendra. Miss Kendra's cute too. Any of them will work because Miss Kendra might be a little too small for the look I want to go for. This one might be it. This one looks pretty good with it. I need to see with the jacket. Hold on. The jacket, this is cute. It's between this and the lock. Applied the lashes, did it off camera, but the body spray I have really been into. It's nothing new. It's nothing new. New to me. Nothing new. Just bought it. It's the Brazilian Crush spray. I got the smaller bottle because, like I said, I never tried it before, and I have sensitive skin, so I did not want to get a big bottle of something that I was never gonna be able to use if my skin had some type of reaction to it. Hold on, we're forgetting an extremely important step in our routine. Our eyebrows. I have recently been doing my eyebrows. When I tell y'all, game changer. Like, my mom always used to tell me all the time, Michaela, you know, brush your eyebrows, brush your eyebrows, brush your eyebrows. Because my eyebrows, like, baby, these hairs move. They don't believe in staying in place. But I've been using, you know, the little got to be glued. I had originally bought this for my wig that I made over quarantine. We're not going to talk about it because it looked a mess. But we found a different purpose for her. And that's to make sure our eyebrows stay in place. So I just brush it through, and I'm using this Morphe. It's just a Morphe eyebrow brush. Outfit, for my shoes with the outfit, I'm gonna do these new platform Converse. I think they'll go really cute with like the jean color. I think they'll go really cute with the jean color. So we're gonna do these platform Converse that I just got, and my jean jacket. Okay, y'all, this is our final outfit with the platform Converse. I wish I could give y'all a full body, but I genuinely do not think I have enough room. Okay, y'all, that's all I have for y'all this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was kind of a mess. It was my second one doing this type of video. So, you know, I'm still getting used to it. I'm gonna try to work on my camera angles so I can actually show y'all like the full fit. I do have a full length mirror, but like, she don't be doing it justice. Like, she don't be like, it don't be looking how it look in person, if that makes sense. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.